Hey everybody, it's Joe Fasolino with Top Gun Inspection Services and welcome to the Inspection Zone. What I want to share with you and discuss with you today is the improper installation of a main drain line system. So as you can see here, the white colored piping is PVC and the black colored piping is ABS. And there are two types of solvents that are used when you're joining dissimilar material together. So for example, when you have PVC white joining to another PVC, there's actually going to be a purple solvent that you'll see. And when you have ABS going to PVC, there would be a green solvent. But here, the homeowner decided to use, yep, there it is, silicone. Silicone is used on every single joint of this main drain line system. And as we walk over here, you can see, yep, there it is. We have a leak. And there is the beautiful puddle. So unfortunately for this homeowner is that the entire plumbing system, the main drain line plumbing system, has to be reinstalled correctly. So I just wanted to share with you today the improper installation of a main drain line system. So if you guys have any questions or comments about home inspections or mold assessments, give me a shout at 518-956-0532 or shoot me an email at info@topguninspectionservices.com. Thanks everybody and have a wonderful day.